If you're using a photo with multiple clouds, use the lasso tool to select one cloud. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected cloud in a new layer. Create a solid color layer. And make it white. Place the color fill layer below the layer with the cloud. Select the layer with the cloud. Go to Image. Adjustments. Desaturate. Go to Image. Adjustments. Invert. Go to Image. Adjustments. Levels. Adjust the highlights so the cloud blends seamlessly with the background. Adjust the shadows to darken the cloud. Go to Edit. Define Brush Preset. Open the file with the photo you want to use. First, I add a solid color layer for the background. Select the background layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Place the copy above the color fill layer. Add a layer mask to this layer. And make sure the mask is selected. As you can see, the cloud brush is already selected. You can use the bracket keys to adjust the brush size. You can also rotate the brush. Make sure the foreground color is black. Click on the photo to add the cloud shape. Invert the layer mask. And that's how you create this effect. Check the link in the description for more Photoshop tutorials.